Let's be brutally honest here. Team USA just orchestrated the single most avoidable, self-inflicted disaster in the entire history of women's basketball. And it's a train wreck you can't look away from. Get this, CaitlinClark, without a doubt, the biggest and most influential name in the sport today, has reportedly drawn a line in the sand, telling officials she would flat out walk away from the team if they dare to force her to give up her iconic number. Behind the scenes, the legendary Sue Bird is now scrambling in a full-blown panic, trying to clean up this colossal mess. But let's be real, the damage might already be irreversible. This controversy is